So this is, as I call it, golden hour flying. I wait most of the day for this. It was really hot today, but as the temperature, as the sun goes down, gets cooler, everything gets better. So F-22 here. Got my Gooniac proven setup. It's a Leopard 4092 1730 kV inrunner with the inrunner Freewing fan. This is normally the housing that's used on the 8S stuff, but it's my own. It's running on 6S. I have the new China Hobby Line Black Series 6S 65C 5000 pack in here. If I fly like a madman, more like I'm going to do on this flight, it'll get right around 3 minutes flying time. I land with 3.74 per cell when I'm done. The battery's just a little bit warm. It is a high amp setup, so it's if you don't have good throttle control, this is not the one for you. But if you're good with it, kind of like I am, no issue. So Lemon RX gyro in here. It's the receiver with gyro mixed in. Works really good. Plane flies rock solid. I've already got a couple flights. This will be the third flight. So going down to the end, so I don't have much taxing to do. I think flies pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. Let's get a flight in. Haven't used flaps yet. I'll figure these out another day. I don't really feel like it today. I've landed without flaps every flight and it's been good. So, do it again this time. Relatively new pack, so I'm not really bruising on it. Try to keep it around half throttle, but blast it in the passes. This thing flies like it has vectoring. Got a little bit more roll.
Time remaining 1 minute 9 seconds. Time remaining 1 minute.
That is way more than enough. This is 6S, guys. This is not 8S.
expired.
And again, this is a no flap landing. That's the way you do it. I'm digging this plane. This thing's cool, especially with this setup in it. It's a little power hungry, about 150 amps full peak, but if you've got the battery to handle it, it's good.